Hi everyone, in today's video I am going to teach you how to contact IC Markets support in just a few steps. So let's get started. So this tutorial would be quick and easy. So what we're going to do is, yes, you need to log in your account on this IC Market or global website. And then if you encounter some problems or technicalities, so what you're gonna do, like you forget your password, you don't know what to do, like how to withdraw, deposit, or anything, all you need to do, guys, is you can see on the bottom right corner, this you will see an icon, message icon. So click that one. Okay, so after that you can see, like, we can it says that we can have a support from here. So they say that, what can we help you with today? Let's say withdrawals. Okay, so they will automatically reply with you. So that's it, guys. I hope that you enjoy and you learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials in IC Markets Global website. Thank you.